What is up, my fellow YouTubists? So it's time for the reveal. The next project in line, and what we have here is a 1977 Honda Z50, otherwise known as the Monkey. This piece has been with us for a little while. Haven't wrenched on it hardly at all. I just pulled out the last ignition system here. This is the kind that doesn't produce electricity for lights and stuff, so I'm gonna be swapping that out. So I guess I did do that. But yeah, you see the previous owner kind of had some special work done to it. So yeah, real excited to get started on this one. Thought you guys might like a sneak peek at it. And yeah, let's see what else is there to say. The headlight I've already put on it. That one came off from our Mini Baja, so it's all part of the family already. And the engine's a 150cc Chinese engine, so this thing's gonna be kind of potent on the trail. And just for the record, that cute little seat is actually the backrest off a Harley. So yeah, we're about ready to dig into it, do some hardcore wrenching, and yeah, as it comes along, we'll give you all updates, so stay tuned.